Welcome to Build, Publish, and Shortcut Power BI from Dynamics GP. This is our agenda for the day. We're going to build a report, or in our case, we're going to use an existing report. And then we're going to publish the report, and then the shortcut creation inside of Dynamics GP on the home page. This is who you're hearing talking to you. So we won't spend too much time on this slide. I don't know how many people really want to be looking at me, but this is my email address. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll be happy to get in touch and answer anything that you may need answered. So as far as Power BI goes, you probably know some about it, but there's a lot of companies are moving from the Smart List, which is inside Dynamics GP, and SSR reports to Power BI. It's much easy to create the reports that you need. Plus, you have a lot of visuals that you can integrate into the report, which makes the data pop. So to create a Power BI report, you have to download from Microsoft the Microsoft Power BI desktop. It is a free download, but you will need to talk with your IT department to ask them about what their download policy would be, and they may have to download it for you. Also, remember, Power BI doesn't allow you to change data from the source file, so the data that you're using inside the report itself, you can manipulate it all you want. It doesn't change anything in Dynamics GP, or if you're using an Excel spreadsheet, it does not change the source data. So to publish the Power BI report, what you would do is you would use the Power BI desktop using the work account. Then you would pick a workspace. Then you verify it in the browser, and then you can set up a refresh. And this is optional, and sometimes it's not available on some of the Power BI versions. You have to have at least the Pro version to be able to set up a refresh schedule. And here's the shortcut. Set up a shortcut inside Dynamics GP. It's not different than creating a shortcut in GP as normal. You will need to capture the location report on the app.powerbi.com site, and I will walk through this. So you don't have to know exactly what I'm talking about, but once I present it, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. It does open the full interactive report in a browser, and you can use any report, any size. There's no file limitations on this to create the shortcut, and there's nothing maintained. When Power BI changes, and Power BI does have frequent updates, you don't have to do a thing. It's taken care of on the app.powerbi.com site. And I want to reiterate, Power BI desktop is required. This is how you would create the report itself. And the download is free, but talk to your IT department for guidance. You publish the report to Power BI service. You will need an account to publish. And the published Power BI is easy to access from GP via shortcut. It doesn't require admin rights. So here's what I'm going to walk you through. First, you log into Dynamics GP, and it takes just a moment for GP to load. I'm sure you all are familiar with that. As soon as it finishes loading, I will share my screen. So in Power BI, what you want to do is you go File and then Publish. And you want to, this would give you an option. There's many options, but because this is on my desktop, this is the only option you have. So you click Publish to Power BI, and sure, let's save our changes. My workspace, and this is just for an example, right? It's telling me there's already one up there, but that's okay. I'm just going to replace this because I did make some changes. I moved some of these graphics around. It will tell you when it's done, and it is finished. What you want to do after it's published, you want to open the AR Dashboard PBIX. And this actually lets you log in to see the report. And this is how you'll see it in Dynamics GP, but you need to get this address here, copy it, because you'll be pasting that into the shortcut in Dynamics GP. Now we're where we should be. Under shortcuts, you just click add a web page. The name, you can put whatever the name of this report is. And it is the AR dashboard report. Here you want to click and paste what you copied from the Power BI window. Click add, you're done, and you see it's here now. All you got to do is click on it, log back in, and there it is. That's how simple it is to get to the report from Dynamics GP. Sure, you may have some questions, and I am absolutely happy to answer anything that you all have. You have my email address. I want to give you a couple more things that are coming up. We have coming up Power BI 201 plus visuals. It gives you some advanced visuals. It shows you how to schedule, refresh, how to set up security using existing security inside of Dynamics GP, and some DAX basics. And DAX is a programming language inside of Power BI. If you have any questions, here's the emails that you would need to use. If you have any issues, please contact support, any Dynamics GP, any Business Central issues. And if there's any products that you're interested in, please contact the sales department. And here's the question and answer. So again, if you have any questions, please email me. I'll be happy to talk with you about it. Also, we have the BizCon 2026 coming up in November. So if you can, please register. It is full of really good information. We have a lot of seminars, a lot of presentations that we go through. So it's well worth your time. And thank you for attending.